beautiful Wednesday. Yababi a mencha memo achemo akwa bambra Badwam Ahosepe dwumadi so. The world of entertainment, dear chegwo, dear fata onino sumu, jadi bi esomo. Onim sa ha no, ade nya trending kwane kutomu a na is officially na Drew headquarters osiyeka. Meaning the Sandra or heme ametiwa. Adwumanyame Adom entertainment ame Ghana for chemo a.
Unim sa Sandy no. Where the jayo guy. Sister Sandy be a guy.
Was said Tim should be your baby na guy say.
Unim sa Sandy no. Where the jayo guy. Sister Sandy be a guy.
I'm the guy, queen.
We a guy. We a guy.
Ene. Asema da pono so nse. Oko program aye frɛ bibi otitinani ene na aboafo. Ene otitinani oda pono so ye mea. Eye mea because sa wasemba yetim be ka de me dia ba ade na me ye afirim. Eno na e kire wo se wo de ba ye be ka na fefefe. Osmo bomenyo abaya bi e de sister Sandy bi eye guy. Yada sorry na se social ne so no. Eye ade a sister no e trendy. Edi enti na o trendy na tade o hyeko TGMA no. Abo apete montene so. Na mommy enkenkan comment na say sister. Hey sister. Sister Sandy, I dey feel you. Sister Sandy, obviously she dey feel you, but what plan is this? Oh no. Oh no, Sister Sandy. And Obi True said, did the tailor sew the dress for her? Cause this one they show. Just say, And you tailor ne pam ye, a carpenter. And Obi say, Charlie confirm. Next sister no. Wadane China niya, one Jackie Chan. Chestini. Monwoso. Oh. Obi say, what's this? Debbie, a keshiri. And Obi say, IGP should arrest Sister Sandy. Brad Jones. Sister Sandy, oye jumo motimi di okokomlemle. Location ya di amao. Siriane kwaso kwa. Asemne de nya trend ya beka wa ha kwa. I don't know. Obviously, I don't fall back to man. I believe I can fly. Obviously, I rather. I tidy be the Superman did too very when one who kept on no. Qua. Next year, ma. Remember the day. Obviously, going for Third World War. Trump of fresh Sister Sandy. Sent to Kwesi Korea. O media ni muante. Tina yo no. War na emu ne wo. Obviously Sandy Ninja. Let me just keep quiet, of course, baby. You don't know anything about fashion. You have to keep quiet. And Obi target Charlie Dio. Ghana honor fashion critic. Or target is Senkabrano and Mekebi. And I say, oh, Brana or target and cast or the blankets got children and wabbit and I see us light. What a no problem. Tell your mom sama Sister Sandy. A Dawson. War phone with data. Can to say no, it's all love. It's all love. Again, say now grown etie. Any say ya ofe. San etie. And I was a sister no. Sister Sandy no. Also a guys. Obi onim Sister Sandy nim send your dressy. Pabuano nko di tia na so a world war sanya menua ne troye no. It is that never dam asia no pay TGMA nyema ekọ so fefefe nyina no asa mo ehu na mo de mani besi sister na taade so ene ne obey etwi fom behwe ye keka ye se ye pra Adom TV ho nyina ansa na okọ TGMA no tos mo bonsama Ghana for say sister na ntwa keku wentwa sempoa na mo man ye headlines. Thank you. Charlie confirm. Yantwaso. Yatwaswa. Beverly Afaglo concerns Sani Americano. Sa TGMA. All the beautiful moments. Yeah, who do many see Adom Batuman there so. It's here already a Beverly a Troy. Let's take a look at Beverly Afaglo. No Troy. Then should be yanking kind. Ochemwa Two things I have picked from the just ended TGMAs that bothers me. One, why can't Charterhouse always invite old celebrities and legends of 10 to 20 years in the industry to represent and take front seat like we see at the BET and AMVCAs? It's always beautiful and nostalgic. Yankan one, you are two. I couldn't have agreed less. It's beautiful. Say legend no matiasi be you. Look at the name. Ghana Music Award. And Ghana Carpenters Award. A music. Nanka manyo biti say Daddy Lumba. Manyo biti say Kwadwenchi. Tic Tac. Kunti Hene. I mean those things because me call hono me usa mo bomb nyom ne pa. And I'm ba na people were jamming to it. Take a nice. Said your sister EK no. Omotete ho. Onko no na nkwalai at the front row. Na media personalities is a rose name no. No omotis a 5th seat. Why must it be so? Or say they respect Emma industry seniors na omo pave you way no. It's just beautiful. Mama me and to legends na nchine sa omoti ase. We love them and we want to see them. Sanya Rose Beverly Afaglo Air Canon. Ne point number 2. Also, why do Ghanaians love to promote rubbish to Sabatadi? Rubbish. Instead of trending the beautiful, elegant outfits people wore at the TGMAs, because truth be told, lots of people brought their A game, like Sister Sandy brought her A game this year, but we just dwelling on the rubbish. Menene ya ajin dodo. Chentadi e PM. Fe. Sister Sandy matadi igel for ne pamye. Igel make honorable Western or Pibiashe. Igel for Tessano. Same building with Starbucks restaurant. Udru ase boho igel nkwalani mampani for ma omo ne pam de shemi. All kinds of way. But to my igel for ne pamye. And one say beautiful outfits ano. Every day some of my igel trend there. And then sister na can say there were other people like Sister Sandy or dress na efe. And I was saying mo pushy, but there be were the folk HH and trim. Wano na no trendy. There was share try a benebo. Clay at the trousers in the belt yirim. Wano and an more trendy. I said all kind of we love to promote rubbish to the extent that Ghana person yes celebrated very easy. For phone suenim pepeni, for ring light suenim. Sebi kakra, sem kakra. At the end, no, I celebrate no be an interview. That is rubbish, according to Beverly Afaglo. It's also my sister, and I couldn't have agreed less. It's no, yeah, Jane, sister. What is an zoo? Saligali, Nane Criado. 10 years ago, Vitatane VGM vagina. Sana no mudi A game a bano. My your messing chain. Send your invite. Momo musika nka ho. Send Nigeria for ne. Someone yena munre semraso. Munya is a flower boy in an amsi, huh? Yantwaso na kofimole da pa wam. Me nua be ma kofimole. Na no me ne mo be twetwe nkomo say the trolling is too much. Me pese yene ne eye 1-on-1. Maton safre no. Mon share ni mo ankosi next week no. Ye de say exclusive no. Ebebre mo because after that incident no, on kasa o baby ani nua ba am ni no street no so. And o ma me sa exclusive no. Ye be you Adom TV Ahosepe. Na me say trolling no, woni ba ko a o kama ne kan kofimole pa. Enyo bia sa akoya na adwemu hey bongo ideas. Won say me ni bongo beef. And now me ye akola ne story akola ne say omu ade e no call Twitter ho. It's me call the sister penyin atempa bongo ideas. And I'm who say no wadro online no me no je ye hu fin. Ko si say yesu beba. And say wa asama sa ba hey bongo. Good morning. Wait them one time what yenge. And I could more less notice to seize and desist defamatory and libelous statements regarding Mr. Edward Amoah, aka Kofi Mole gangster. I didn't hear wow. Momo money tough. I would shame on any lawyers at Nasia Casa on behalf of clients na Kofi Mole. One of my trot on some can say why you say no or your musician say ja is a father and all feelings. See the more trot on the Hano. I also May 7, 2025 interview on feature and a client no Mr. Elikem Adom and yes at the end of KSS Media. Until Chimwa Tiawa Munchaso. Saba Kusuru. Ye can once a way and shut down more bearding. Yan Trohe Baku Esru. Timus or Kai time on betching a question at the anymore. None who ban who say, ye. My dear Gramina court case, Mr. Minister, come to be your lawyer. Ye, ready. Quickly, or your uncle, or therefore, Nana, or the apology. Abba. Seriously, my boy, were you too relevant? And I asked the question again. Bongo ideas, ma, dang pan or Ghana. Ye industry, ye woman, a dear contribution, and a bongo ideas, a dear industry, no one. You bet me appointee and sa aka say bongo ideas I say I'm a industry no contribution doesn't mean money contribution to me intellectual property I will bet me a share on your do you so craft phone and when your data and what is social air and same hunu aside that personally I don't know what bongo idea does but for you know our fans which I know he does because he was invited to YE. Our fans and call for Donald. There are times that your trono ayana no kre wom. That is the hard truth. Ghana for mum pen no creating or hetia. Nano hoye mohi. And there are times that a non-fa total rubbish. Sanya Beverly Afaglu Kayano. What exactly does this boy do? Whatever it is, or so a blogger, yate. And on this statement of apology and retraction in Tempa Wojane. On also by Tuesday, that is May 13, 2025, or say, I would like to address the concerns related to a recent tweet I posted about Ghanaian artist Edward Amoah, known as Kofi Mole. And on no tweet or Troy Uchiremu. Say no to drugs, cut down on smoking, or better still quit. You looking older than your age, second you be fine, boy. Don't let drugs destroy you, no satage Kofi Mole. Now where your tone suffer our court. Say bongo ideas. Bongo ideas. Me bo di imprensa. Ni akasa bra court. Na fa evidence. Ebra. And I say prove it to the court. Baby who say Kofi Mole drugs sa. I want to say utu huja. Once we be busy. Tisa when in fact, or try the quack in frama, and I feel war by patrol. Sincere concern, Ubusian, no sincere concern, Papa Bang. Tiabusia, ya cabo moi, ne handwriting me. And the I heard video na the contia Osiu no, you remember. Say, one named you be fem. Pedomoya Mercy Johnson wo. Nigeria mama kai me yawo de bia meka say oyonko there for me amakeka concussion abomatwe no obi akotro drugs no obi akotro where obi troy atro sister Sandy enya ace no pepa na ntem kamedo ko court bisa say hwan na de ma me he na hu no ebi na moye Kofi Mole no. Let your words be kind. The fact say ye entertainers ade bia ye sresre ye koba ye huri ye sa no it doesn't mean say obi ni hawo. Obia wa how to go no entertain you. You don't know what you're dealing with. It's mama worse no engen nice. Unsi ahwe kra no Chadwick. A Hollywood actor. Sana or cancer and or dicha Wakanda no. Later mbe hu ina afa mu no ho ba no wenye ewu. Tiensia bibi from Eshem one sadan sayem. Utroli kra wisely. Why? Yen na ancestry ho ne yenko yenim sa. Life is too short. Life is fragile. Kofi, see you soon. Ya twaswa. And your birthday. Happy birthday, Nkoma emoji. Or your gospel musician. Nyamin shall be free. Nyamin shall to unkwanim. Omawa huadin shonko. From the entire team, almost one model page. Ya di besi Makweba yɛ me director, Richmond, and so etechre. Omotola yanko international news. Okay, Mommy and share Omotola di Nembrasisia. Okay, Fato so na yankin kai. Why? Or say I sleep well at night, not because my husband is perfect, but because I stopped playing detective in a story where I'm already the leading lady. That's beautiful. One thing that has really helped me enjoy my marriage is this. I don't check my husband's messages. Are you reading, ladies? I married a very charming man with a noble job that takes him around the world like a bird. Every single day he meets beautiful, smart, educated, and hot women. And yes, I know those young girls who love fine zazzies are not smiling. They will definitely try to get his attention. But honestly, I don't even act like they exist. I don't imagine things. I don't check his phone. I don't go through his private messages. He's my man. I'm his wife. And my purpose is simple, to give him peace. That's my power. Diomotola ekano. No. No, Debbie. Enim, why? It is here, international news kakra me de somo. No. Ladies, I hope say you take advice from it. Yeah, fancy. Osmosis, I am a sound engineer, Lamikel, baddest engineer, also a temwa or boy juma, and a touch of kumbi, Stella, our makeup department, or no, any tree menim, a de emame. Lawyer John Akoglu, happy birthday, Enko and Famao. Nyame inshallah be brave pa ye. PR waha, edi waha say. Master Thomas ewaha OPD Kwasi Bruni or producer. I'm the guy Queen Yame Adom Fiada Yebeshia Macro.